You could download an app today and it could still be spying on you even after you delete it. Not uninstall, not factory reset. I'm talking about malware that survives everything and turns your phone into a tool for hackers. Think about this. At some point, you've probably downloaded a phone cleaner, a puzzle game, or a photo editing app. Nothing suspicious, right? Just something to make your phone better. But recently, researchers discovered something disturbing. Over 50 Android apps that looked completely normal, were secretly hijacking users' phones. And these weren't obscure downloads. They were installed over 2 million times. Here's where it gets serious. Inside those apps was a powerful malware. Once installed, it didn't just sit there. It went deep into the system, giving hackers the ability to run code inside other apps on your phone. That means they can see what you're doing, they can interfere with apps you trust, they can potentially access sensitive data. And the scariest part? Some versions of this malware can survive a factory reset. Let that sink in. You wipe your phone, and it's still there. Most people think, if anything goes wrong, I'll just reset my phone. But attacks like this don't rely on obvious signs. No warnings, no pop-ups, no "you've been hacked" message. Everything looks normal while something is quietly running in the background. So here's what you need to do. If you don't recognize an app, delete it. Avoid random cleaner or optimizer apps. Stick to trusted developers only. Because in most cases, the attack doesn't start with hacking. It starts with downloading the wrong thing. Cyber attacks like this are becoming more common and more invisible. If you want a simple way to protect your phone, your accounts, and your data, I created a cybersecurity survival toolkit that shows you exactly what to do. You'll find the link in the description. Stay aware, because the most dangerous threats don't look dangerous at all.